Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have permission and checking local sign rules, then move straight to the post. You need a shovel, pry bar, reciprocating saw or handsaw, gloves, and a tarp. These tools let you work safely and avoid damage. Once done, clear vegetation and measure how deep the post sits. This tells you whether the post is set in soil, anchored in concrete, or driven. Make sure to note any nearby utilities before you dig to prevent surprises. You now free the post from its setting. If soil set, dig a ring 6-12 inches wider than the post and loosen soil down to the bottom. If concrete set, chip around the perimeter until the block separates. Once loosened, position a pry bar and pump with steady leverage while you lift. If the post is rotten, saw through high enough to get a solid grabbing point. Make sure to have a second person for larger posts to lift evenly and avoid twisting. You finish by restoring the site. Backfill the hole with soil and tamp it, or pour quickset concrete if you plan to install a replacement post. This prevents sinking. Remove debris to a tarp and recycle metal or treat wood as local rules advise. If the post won't budge, don't force it. Use a vehicle-rated jack under a solid block or cut the post into sections and remove in pieces. This troubleshooting step reduces risk and keeps the surrounding ground intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.